Assalamu alaikum everybody, hope you all are doing well. In this video we're going to see how you can join the free classes on WAP and also join our community and learn from there. So this is a tutorial for everybody that doesn't know how to navigate through WAP. So let's go and take a look at that. Now you will go to wap.com on your browser. It could be your phone or it could be your laptop slash halal portfolio. Okay, halal portfolio, then you press enter. Then it will open this page for you. You can see that it's written halal portfolio free access. You will click this, then you will press join. But if you're interested in joining our premium course access, you can also join that. But for the free access, let's go and see how it's done at the moment. It is not going through. Okay, so you will come to this screen. You will press put your email address. So this is a test email address. I'll press join, and it will send you a verification email on your email. So you open your email, you come here, you copy this code, then you come back, you put it there, paste it, you give your name, Binance test, whatever, that's the name of this for now. It's claiming your Instagram handle, okay, whatever, next. You choose your date of birth and everything here, press next. Now you can choose any of these emojis or avatars they have. Not recommended because it's a pig. Anyways, you're not a pig, you're a human, so you can put anything from here if you want to. Let's go with this, for example, okay? You press save. Okay, now you are joined inside our classroom. You can see that it's written here. This is the course, okay? So Crypto Fundamentals is the first course you're going to take. It's the very basic of how it starts from money, then it goes to cryptocurrencies, then how you can transfer between wallets and purchase tokens on chain. So you get all of that here. For some reason it's not opening. I think it's my internet. Okay, so here we are. You can see that there are up to 10 videos. The whole duration of this course is around 3 hours. You can finish it in 1 day or 2 days. If you really want to understand it, you can come back and revisit these videos. If you have any questions, you can always come and ask me. So this is the WhatsApp signals. Let this load, we will come back to that. If you have any questions about anything inside Halal portfolio, you can come and create a ticket here. You can choose if it's general, you can write the title, what is your problem, what is the description, define it there, then send it. We will answer you, inshallah. Now this is not loading. Okay, so WhatsApp community for free signals and direct support. One more than just a course. Join our WhatsApp community. You will get access to free signals, quick updates on market move, a chance to upgrade to our premium signals and full access plan. This is the safest way to stay connected, ask questions and take action. Join our WAP community. So once you click that button, it will take you inside WhatsApp. That you will be able to join the community, talk to each other, like talk to other traders, and also get the 4 major signals on Bitcoin, Ethereum, Doge, and Solana, which is currently ongoing. In future, everything might change, but we will try to give as much free value as we can, because I really want everybody to learn the halal way of trading cryptocurrencies. So if you like this video, like it, share it with your friends, and also subscribe so you can see further videos that are going to come, inshallah. Have a good day. Take care.